All right, this is a room tour of Junior Suite 10236 on Utopia of the Seas. This is just a really nice junior suite for Utopia of the Seas, room 10236. Just to give you a brief overview of the room, we have king size bed over here on the right and a sofa. Nice sitting area. We have a large balcony. We are on the bump out, which I'll show you here in a little bit. So let's just start right back here. I'll show you where the room is at. So first of all, your muster station will be E2 on deck 5, and it's right by the Cafe Promenade. When you come in on the Promenade deck 5, when you come in, you can just go right to the Cafe Promenade area, and your muster station is right there. You can just get it done first thing when you come on, so it's real quick and easy. And as you can see with the little red dot there, this is where you're at on the ship, so it's kind of nice. It's mid-shift. And on the 10th floor, you can just go down a couple of decks and you're at Central Park, which is real nice also, but this is a real nice area for the room. When you come into the room, on your left-hand side, you'll have the closet. And so just to show you the closet, it's real nice and spacious. Kind of back out here and see. And you have everything. You can just put all your clothes up here, shelves. Lots of shelves, lots of hangers. You got the robes. Lots of places to put your suitcases if you don't want to put them under the bed. So that works out real good. And then the right-hand side, when you come in, you have the bathroom. Real nice bathroom for the junior suite. You have just the one sink, but that's all right. Lots of shelving, and of course, nice shower tub combination. So it works out real good. Have the shower, and you have the definitely the amenities of the shampoo, the conditioner, and the body gel. Now there is not a full door here for the shower, so we've had experience with this in the past. I would suggest that maybe a little water might be coming down on the floor. You might want to make sure you put an extra towel down on the floor for when you get out. But it is a nice bathroom area with a lot more shelving over here. Then you come out, there is a little bit of a step. Let me just point that out to you real quick. There is a little bit of a step right here. A little bit of a lip, so you just want to step over that. And of course, in the middle of the night, in case you're getting out in the middle of the night, there is that step you can see there. So you just want to make sure that you don't trip or anything like that. You have a nice full-length mirror right here on the side. And then you have your bed. And just to point out thing here, we have on this lamp on this side of the bed, you do have your outlet, and you do have a USB-C right there, so that's nice. So you can plug. You have the bed, and you can do the same thing over here where the phone is at on this side of the bed. You have the exact same type of lamp set up there, so that's good. So everybody can charge up their phones right there next to them. Then you have this nice sofa. I do not believe that this is a pull-out bed, but it is a nice sofa. You have a nice table here, a nice little chair over here, nice big room. You have the TV right here, and you have these little hooks things in case you want to put some extra things there out of the way for the hooks. And back over here, looking back over this way, you do have nice table there with the mirror. And I'm going to guess, let me try to put this light on. Yes, look at that nice little vanity light there for the mirror. And you have your Lavazza coffee machine. You put the little pods in, close it up, and you get a little coffee there. A nice lamp. And lots of drawers. And one of the things point out, I do believe we do have the shower or the blow dryer here. So it is a blow dryer that you have here in this first drawer. And down here we do have the, not technically a refrigerator, but a little cooler area. So that works out real good. And of course, more places for you to put some hanging stuff there. Kind of a thin, narrow area, but you do have stuff to put things with your safe. The safe, I'm going to say the safe is on the small side. As you can see, this is as far back as it goes. I'm going to say it's a little bit of a smaller type of safe than what I've seen in some of the other rooms we've been in. Okay, but lots of space there to put it. There's plenty of space. And you can see the overview of the room here. You've got plenty of space to put stuff. And we'll go out here now, out to the balcony. And beautiful balcony. Again, we're on the hump out. So this is really nice. This is really lots of space. Now we do not have the loungers, but we have a nice table, 2 chairs, and the chairs do have this little thing for your legs and feet that come out like that. So this is nice. Can kind of work as a lounger. Lots of room here. Try to get off here in the corner so you can see just how much space there is. So actually, if you want to move it, you can move the chairs and tables anywhere on here. This is so much space. We're on Utopia again, and we are in Port Canaveral. You can see how beautiful Port Canaveral is. Oh, and the Odyssey of the Seas way out there is coming in. The Odyssey of the Seas is coming in. This is the ship here, so we can see we're on the hump out here, and you can see Adventure of the Seas right there, and you can see the 2 Disney ships right there. So it's quite the view just here in port. So again, this is Utopia of the Seas Junior Suite, room 10236, and it is a really, really nice room.